Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic data structures. Modify an object within an object. Now let's take a look at a slightly more complex object. Object properties can be nested into an arbitrary depth and their value can be any type of data supported by JavaScript, including arrays and even other objects. Consider the following. We have a nested object as a variable which contain an object with several properties. The properties can include a number, a string, or another object, which in turn can contain numbers, strings, or another object. Same way, we can have infinite depth inside object also. Nested object has three properties: id, value is a number; date, value is a string; and data, value is an object with its nested structure. While structures can quickly become complex, we can still use the same notation to access the information we need. To assign the value of 10 to the bg property, which is this one, inside this object, which is inside this object, which is in turn inside this object of the nested online status object, we use dot notation to reference the property like this. Task for this challenge: here we have defined an object user activity which includes another object nested within it. Set the value of online key to 45. We can do that by using user activity dot data dot online equal to 45, and its value is changed now. So let's run the test and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.